when I will go back to TikTok, because you see in all the comment sections when you go on TikTok, Bebe asasule Gravity. Omukuba inabe yagira chichi. Omusajja to omusasule bo chichi.
Abantu bayina kizibu kimu malo. And I understand obutasoma sometimes yobukola abantu, but
what really happened? I mean, for the record, because this is the first time I'm asking, the last time I'll ask.
Okay.
What happened?
This is what happened. I went to the president and I made a deal. Nemgamba, umpa facilitation, kwa nkoseze zangu, ziwedeo. Boba tulina sente kati, ojja tusasulanga, tumaze, ngofunye. Ne kati mpa facilitation. Kati nze nenkwata abayimbi. Nembagamba, muje musigning enze wabwika part ka sente zone facilitation ekuyambe through so some are receiving 5 million the whole week kusula kunyona mafuta. Now contracts netuka negwa kati of course some people are accessing abamunga bamnonya president abalonya speaker which is okay as fine. So one time Eddie and Gravity with the Secretary General, they go and meet the president. Nga one of them says to him, "Anze mzee zange zimpechi directi."
Tozisa wa Bebe.
Tozisa wani wa Bebe. Ate we bavayo, ne bajja bulungi wangu. Ne bambula nemaka that's okay. Waba genda kusasula directi, it's what? It's okay. Kati nga tugera maaso nga mujjako ku list yangu because agenda kufunira wa eri ate yagenze wa principal kati already nkulaga emitima gy'abantu nti abantu bano bazibu gwonoonyeza omulimu kati amaze akuyise ebbali agenze wa mukama wa mugaye gwenze nsasulaki direct sikukayanyiza nze nkulese bakusasule direct era tugenze maaso buyawake kati along the way nga he's expecting to get paid in the same week over the same month. But all of us teyafuna sente kati towards the end of the kalulu nga abantu byalowooza nti bagenda muyamba speaker abani nga bonna bafuuse biza kalulu kakoze eki kagenda kuggwa tewali sente nakomawe wange bana abantu sibategera nemugamba wadiringa nani Tiate bonaye mbakulira amasimu tebalonda Secretary General talonda blah blah. Nemugamba no, that's not how it happens. President wabagamba wamusaba sente zakuwe agenda kusasula through Secretary General. Gwe sigala ngugende wani ewa Secretary General. Naye bw'anaagaana, I will put you back on the list because you worked. Ontegedde?
Yeah.
Bwe batakusasule nga bwe bagamba nze nja kuzza ku list yange.
I will pay you
because you worked. Fast forward, he kept on going back to the Secretary General until the Secretary General secured 600 million.
So he got 600 million.
Quiet. That is after the campaign. But quietly secured 600. The Secretary General secured his payment. And he got it. And he kept quiet. Now remember, after I finish all those things, even if it is my deal, I go back to the president and I give him accountability. So kakati wali amazoku sasulukaga ate wano kyamuziza ku list.
The president yagamba atono namuwa.
Kati agamba nti oli mufere atono namuwa because yamusaba directly nti amusasule.
That's why you removed him.
But one of the things people must know about Bebe Cool, nze tosa kunzanyiramu matatu.